Sorry, okay, let me pull up my PowerPoint. Okay, so my name is Annabelle McClintock. My name in Mnemonic is A Nana Ringing a Bell. My glasses make me look like a grandma, and grandmas are also called nanas, and grandmas call the family to the supper by ringing a bell. I am from Round Rock, Texas. I am a genetics major with a psychology minor, and my goal is to attend medical school after college and obtain my license as an OBGYN. I love my dog Ellie June, I really love to read, and I love the TV show Stranger Things. Alright, thank you so much.